Oh, hi. Is this the owner of the property for sale on Mailer?
Oh, yes.
Hey, my name's Tim, and your name would be? Hey, Gary.
Myron.
Yeah, Gary, once again, my name is Tim, and I was actually calling on behalf of Josh with Howard Hanna Real Estate Services, Gary. And the only reason for my call today was just to see if you were working with or cooperating with any brokers or agents at this time. Okay, great, great. So if I had a buyer, and I'm not saying that I don't want to mislead you, man. I'll be straight up here. If I had a buyer, would you be willing to work with us?
Well, I don't want to pay anybody
Okay.
anything, any kind of fee.
Yeah, you know what? I completely respect and understand where you're coming from, Gary. We've been doing this over 20 years, man. I completely get where you're coming from. You're doing it on your own to save those fees, right? Save those dollars, keep them in your pocket.
Right.
Yeah, yeah. I'm also going to bet you have a net number in mind. So, in other words, you walk away from the sale of the property, you know how much money you want to have in your hands for yourself, right?
Well, yeah.
Yeah. Well, see, that's what we specialize on, Gary, is we help folks like yourself get that net number you're looking for while we put any and all fees on top of it. And if we could pull that off for your property, that wouldn't be a problem, would it?
No.
Okay. Well, once again, I don't know if we can do it or not. I only know we've done it hundreds of times in the past. And the only way to know is would be for you and Josh to get together for about 20 minutes, Gary. We know your time's valuable, our time's valuable. Get together for about 20 minutes, take a look at the numbers, take a look at what we do that's so unique and different, how we bring so many buyers to our properties. And at that point, if there's a mutual interest, we move forward. If not, there's no big deal. I mean, that sounds fair, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what would be best for you to get together for about 20 minutes? Would afternoons or evenings be best?
These targets, like, say, noon.
Okay. So this being Tuesday, tomorrow or Thursday, what's best for you? I mean, I want to work, what's convenient for you, man? So Thursday, say about 1 o'clock?
Make it a little better.
Okay. 2 o'clock?
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, once again, it's Josh Burgess with Howard Hanna Real Estate Services. Howard Hanna's
Oh,
the Yeah, they're the largest family-owned real estate company in the United States. They got like 14,000 agents. They're a big company, but Josh keeps it very simple and real easy, and that's why he does so well and attracts so many buyers. I mean, most of the properties get into bidding wars, and people bid for the property, so the price even goes up.
mhm.
Yeah, because when you use the right marketing, that Gary, it's not uncommon for that to happen.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, he's with Howard Hanna. His name's Josh Burgess. If you have any questions, you can just give me a call. My name's Tim, and you've got my I'm sure you've got my phone number on your caller ID there.
Right.
Yeah. Now Josh will do an enormous amount of work to make sure he brings extremely accurate information for you as well, Gary. And he looks forward to sharing that with you Thursday afternoon at 2 o'clock. Okay. All right, partner. Listen, you have a fabulous day, my friend. Uh-huh. Bye-bye. So So there we go from no, I'm going to do it on my own. Will you work with me if I bring a buyer? No, I don't want to. I'm going to work with it on my own. I don't want to pay anybody anything. And then this is a part of the script where you go into the net number being the most important thing. See, I took his mind completely away from any fees that he would be paying and back to the net number and what he gets to keep. And that's what Josh will show him on a net sheet. So Josh will have a net sheet prepared, all the fees on the top, net number on the bottom, and he'll show him what he gets to net from this property. And we've had many people in the beginning tell us, no, 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 I'm not working with you. No chance, no chance. And then they list the property, and you realize that what they're doing is called a stall. It's not even a real objection. It's just based out of fear, man. That's all it is.